Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to change any text to custom text in checkout page for WP Hotel booking plugin in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using WP Hotel booking plugin. So this is plugin we are using. Now go to hotel checkout. So this is a checkout page for WP Hotel booking plugin. So we are going to change any text to custom text using custom code. Now you see multiple text. So we are going to change text into any custom text like VAT value added text. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet. So click on it. And then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. So by using custom code we are going to target WP Hotel booking plugin. And also we are going to target checkout page for hotel booking plugin. And then you see select the code type. Now select PHP snippet. So click on it. Now create custom snippet section open and then you can add title and then you see code per view. Now paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. And then you see if domain WP Hotel booking. So by using this line of code we are going to target WP Hotel booking plugin. Now you see plugin folder name WP-hotel-booking. So you can find plugin folder name in file manager or cpanel. So you can add same name in custom code and then you see is page hotel-checkout. Now go to checkout page. In URL you see hotel-checkout. So you can add URL or slug according to requirement. Now back to code and then you see text. So we are going to change text into VAT. Now go to checkout page and then you see this text we are going to change. Now back to code. And then scroll down you see insert method auto insert location run everywhere. On top you see inactive now active and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. So by using this custom code you can change any text in hotel checkout page. Now go to page and refresh the page. Now you see text and then change to VAT value added text. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.